Hi, welcome to the video. My name is Pushpinder Gill. Now the question over here is asking us the value of, so what is the value of, so over here it's 0 points. So if you can count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 64. Now over here it's a cube root, and above the cube root it's an under root, right? Now understand, cube root of x is actually equivalent to x to the power 1 by 3, and under root of x is actually equivalent to x to the power 1 by 2. And if I combine both these powers and I say cube root of x and under root of x, that would be x to the power 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 6, right? So because if I just cut this, I'll have to write this as x to the power 1 by 2, and if I cut this, I'll have to write this as x to the power 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Now this actually turns to 0.0000064 raised to the power 1 by 6. Now my job over here is to actually take care of these zeros first. So 64 into, now how many points are there after decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that will make it 10 to the power minus 6 raised to the power 1 by 6. Now what over here is this? This is nothing but 2 to the power 6, that is 64, into 10 to the power minus 6 into 1 by 6. Now once I open these brackets up, every power will be multiplied by 1 by 6. So 2 to the power 6 into 1 by 6 plus, it's multiply into 10 to the power minus 6 into 1 by 6. So the 6 and 6 go away, it gives me a 2. And this goes away, it gives me a 10 to the power minus 1. So that is equivalent to 2 by 10, and which is equivalent to 0.2. Hence my answer is option E. Right? So very easy question. All you have to do is just make sure that you stay organized. That is the key to getting these questions, getting these kind of questions right. Make sure that you get them right. So don't forget to like us on facebook.com/perfectscores. Give me your valuable feedback at perfectscores89@gmail.com. And don't forget to explore more about us. Keep watching this space for perfect-scores.com. Right? So this was about the video, guys. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.